Thinking about waxing at home? Before you start, there are a few things you should know. The right tools can make the process much easier and help you avoid common mistakes. Start with a quality hard wax specifically designed for the type of waxing you're doing. Follow the manufacturer's instructions rather than relying on one universal temperature. Next, prepare clean, dry skin according to the wax manufacturer's directions. Have clean applicators and everything you need within reach before you begin. If you're new to waxing, practice your technique on a less sensitive area first. Follow the application and removal directions on your specific wax. Different products can have different instructions. If the product recommends a patch test, always do it before your full application. Afterward, follow the recommended aftercare and avoid anything that could irritate the skin. Remember, if your skin reacts poorly, stop immediately and seek medical advice. So your basic setup is simple: suitable wax, proper prep, clean tools, and sensible aftercare. The goal isn't to rush, it's to prepare properly and take care of your skin. For more practical skin and personal care guidance, subscribe to MTH Health.